In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to make 2 half-square triangles with your 2 pieces of fabric. So we just need 2 pieces of fabric, a background, and your contrasting fabric. And they just need to be identical in size. On your background, you're going to turn it over to the wrong side, and using a mechanical pencil or regular pencil or just something to mark with, you're going to draw a line from one corner to the opposite corner. Then you will place these right sides together, and you'll take them to your sewing machine, and you're going to sew a 1/4 inch on both sides of that drawn line. All right, now that I have it ready to go, I'm going to make any adjustments I need to the needle position to make sure that I'm sewing a 1/4 inch from my drawn lines. I usually leave my needle in the down position to pivot. Now that I have my 2 lines sewn on both sides of that drawn line, I'm going to cut directly on the drawn line. You can use this your rotary cutter or a pair of scissors. If I'm on my cutting mat, I usually just use my rotary on here. So now that I have these cut apart, I can open it up and see that now I have 2 half-square triangles with my 2 pieces of fabric. So I just need to press them and square them up.